3 weird and bizarre facts about birds. Have you ever wondered about the peculiar world of birds? Let's dive into 3 wild, wacky facts. Ever thought of a bird mimicking human speech? Parrots can. They're known for their ability to reproduce a wide range of sounds. Secondly, the tiny hummingbird, incredibly, beats its wings around 200 times a second. Talk about a workout. Ever heard of the lyrebird? This Australian species can mimic nearly any sound, from chainsaws to camera shutters. Birds, they're more than just feathers and flight. They're fascinating creatures full of surprise.